it's a really interesting new initiative which I think we just had to be part of.
So we're really excited to be here in what's a testbed for us.
Smart Lab is quite an exciting innovation for the city. It's bringing together technology-based companies, the public sector, sharing some of the issues that we all have within the city, a city like Sheffield, and coming up with some solutions. City centre vibrancy and adult social care are the two main issues that the steering group, for want of a better description, decided upon. The solutions and the ideas will be worked up, the winners will be piloted, and then in terms of measuring success, it's do they act as any inroads into solving these two big issues.
It's a very visible new way of working that hopefully will say to Sheffield, this is the way of the future, and will say to the people outside Sheffield, actually I'm going to go to Sheffield to take my bright idea. Public services, this is where I tend to come from, cities are a growing phenomenon across the world, but the affordability of them is a growing pressure. So a solution that's designed and works in Sheffield, there's nothing particularly unusual about Sheffield, it's a very typical city. If it works here, it'll probably work in lots of other cities as well.
Amey and Sheffield have been together for the last 4 or 5 years, working together on the Streets Ahead project, which is a long-term investment project in the road network in Sheffield. We have a great partnership where we're working with them, not just on that, but a lot of other ideas that we're working on together on new initiatives, new ways of working, new service delivery for the 21st century.
We think that Sheffield Smart Lab is a truly unique program. On one end, the program is driven by challenges that have been defined by the city itself, so it's completely aligned with the strategy and the priorities of the city and of the citizens. Second, it has a global scope, and finally, the focus in urban entrepreneurs is end-to-end. So these solutions are visible, are known by all our operations, business development, bid teams, contract execution, and they can very easily collaborate and be part of our offer to our customers.
We can help to maybe inspire students. We can hopefully develop collaborative partnerships with the startups.
The whole point for us is to work with these businesses to enable them to succeed in Sheffield.
Just having the backing of the big partners will really allow us to get into more organisations than we have at the moment.
What I hope to get out of the Smart Lab is a good understanding of how various organisations here in Sheffield work together, stuff that's working well.
Well, hopefully by the end of it we'll have been able to do a feasibility trial with one of the services, with some of their clients, their service users.
I'm aiming to have 1 million partners by the end of 2017.
The initial discussions we have been fantastic.